June 9th, 2012. Celebrate the one-year anniversary of the Soul Music Celebration at Second Saturdays downtown, featuring a tribute to Donna Summer and the godfather of go-go, Chuck Brown.
Give me the bridge now. I feel like busting loose, busting loose. Give me the bridge now.
Enjoy soul, jazz, and R&B music with Kevin and Tanisha. Also featuring Chazelle, aka Lady Maverick, Brandy, and Tamia. June 9th, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the Outdoor Plaza at La Placita Village on the southwest corner of Broadway and Church Avenue. Various La Placita restaurants will be open for this night of food, fun, and family entertainment. Brought to you by Southwest Soul Circuit and Second Saturdays downtown.
Putting it in my song.